Day one of party bus number 2 for Kut-n-Loose teardown. As you can see, been working today. It's like almost 90 degrees out here, but I'm getting it gutted out. Got all the seats broke down and everything. That's all clean wood. This stuff has some bolts in it I have to remove. Got a couple pieces of plywood there that I can reuse. All kinds of different cup holders and stuff back here that I can reuse. Obviously that wheelchair lift has to come out and go. And just little by little we're getting it gutted out. That way we can start building another one. So stay tuned, everybody. The Kut-n-Loose party bus number 2 is underway. So like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and we'll keep you updated on the progress as it goes. Until then, catch you on the flip side. Bye.